In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a free Systeme.io account. And if you don't know what a free Systeme.io means, it means a free website you can start using before you have money to buy your own website. I always advise my students, when you are starting out, you are almost out of funds. You want to guide the small amount of money you have and not be spending it on softwares, on platforms, on tools. You have to start using some free platforms first so that when you start making sales, you can now take some profit out of your money to start investing in things. You don't have any reason to start using your personal saving to invest in things where you can have the free version and start using it. So let's go and talk about how you can create a free Systeme.io account so that you can start building a website on it. All right, this video is specifically meant for creating free Systeme.io account. All you need to do is to just come to your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using and type Systeme. So when you type Systeme.io, you can easily go to www.systeme.io. You can see the first one here. So let's click on it. And it's going to take us to Systeme.io. So your platform for email marketing, funnels, and all other things. Okay. What we need to do is to click on sign in if we already have an account, or we can start for free now. Now they are going to ask us to put our email address. Let me see if I can put one of my email address. I already have menu email address, but let me see if this one is still free. So let me click on continue. And then they are going to tell me that they sent an confirmation link to my email. So let me quickly go to my email to find that confirmation link if it have come in. So as you can see, I just opened the email address on my system and they're telling me to click on this link to confirm my email address. So I'm going to quickly confirm my email address and I'll start putting in my name. Maybe I can use Paul. I can use Paul Chinedu because that works. So you quickly just put in your name. You can fill in Paul Chinedu here. And then they are going to ask me to put my password. So I'm going to quickly just put my preferred password here and repeat the same password just to confirm it. So if you're already familiar with online registration, you should know that sometimes when you put your password, they're going to ask you to confirm the new password. Quickly, I'm going to click on save. And they are going to ask me a few questions like, do you already have a business? I can click yes, I already run a business. What is your annual revenue USD? I can click more than $1,000 per year. Then my email address, I can submit my email address. And voila, this is my dashboard for Systeme.io. So there are so many things you can do on this platform, so many things. But maybe as we proceed, I'm going to be recording few videos on how to do which one, how to do this one. But for now I'm going to be talking about how to build your website in the next video. So I hope this video have shown you exactly how to create your free Systeme.io. Once you have confirmed your account and you are in this dashboard, you are ready to start using them. So in the next video, we'll talk about a few things. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel.